Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up a VPN app called Elver VPN. This app can help you enjoy a more stable and private internet experience while browsing online. It is available for free on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions. This way, you won't miss any of my future tutorials. Now let us get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Elver VPN. Look carefully at the search results and check the app name and icon. To ensure you select the correct app. Once you've found it, tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the Install button to download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch it. When you open the app, you will see the home screen. There are a few simple settings to configure for the best performance. Tap the menu button at the top of the screen. Select Online Update to refresh the app's resources and ensure it runs smoothly. Next, choose your country network from the list. If your country does not support UDP, select a network that works best for you. For this tutorial, we will use the All Country UDP option, which works across multiple regions. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once the status shows connected, your VPN is active and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully set up Elver VPN on your Android device. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.